Okay, this is Unit 3, Cycle 1, Level 3, Sigma continued. This is number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sorry I couldn't fit it all on one. Alright, so it's still working on parallel and perpendicular lines that are parallel and perpendicular to another line. So we're going to write the equation of a line that is perpendicular to y equals 6x plus 10 that goes to the point 6, negative 4. Perpendicular means opposite slope. Okay, so my original slope is 6. So my new slope is opposite of that. The opposite of 6 is 1 over 6, and now it's negative. Okay, and then we plug in our new point. So we could even do y equals mx plus b. I can put in my new slope here for m. And then I can use my point that they give me, 6, negative 4, and put them in here. So my x value is 6, my y value is negative 4, and then we can solve for b. Okay, we don't know what b is. So the first thing I have to do is multiply these. Okay, so negative 4 hasn't changed. 1/6 times 6 is negative 1, and then plus b. So I can add 1 to both sides now. And b equals negative 3. But I'm still not done because I need the equation of the whole line. So I'm going to write it up here because I ran out of space. Y equals my new slope, negative 1/6x minus 3. And that's my final answer. Okay, now we're going to write the equation of the line that's perpendicular to the line represented by the given table that goes to the point negative 3, 9. So we have to find our slope from the table first. So to get from 5 to 10, I add 5. And if I go from 3 to 5, I add 2. Okay, so my original slope is 5 over 2. Most kids put the x's on top, and that's wrong. So my new slope is 2 over 5 because I flipped the fraction, and now it's negative, and I do that because this is opposite. Okay, and now it goes through this point. I'm going to do it like I did the last one where I set it up in y equals mx plus b form. So I do 9 equals negative 2 fifths. My x value is negative 3. And then plus b. I don't know what the b is. So now I have 9 equals, that's positive 6 over 5 plus b. And now I subtract 6 over 5. That cancels out. Subtract 6 over 5. And, Miss, how do I do 9 minus 6 over 5? Good question. What we can do is put that in our calculator. Okay. So in my calculator, I can do 9 minus, and then I do control divide to do 6 over 5. And it tells me it's 39 fifths. Is it pretty? No. Is it right? Yes. So b equals 39 over 5. But I'm not done yet. I have to plug it into my y-intercept formula. So that means y equals negative 2 fifths x plus 39 over 5. Yay! Alright, number 7. We're going to write the equation of the line that is perpendicular to the line graphed. It goes through the point 5, 12. So I have to find the slope of this line first. Okay, so I'm going to pick 2 perfect points. Alright, so 2 perfect points. Here and here. So that is 2 over 3 is my original slope. My new slope is going to be opposite, negative 3 over 2. And it goes through the point 5, 12. So I cannot graph that because my graph's not big enough. So I'm going to use my slope-intercept form. 12 equals negative 3 halves times 5 plus b. negative 15 halves. I picked some really ugly numbers. Okay. And then I add 15 halves to both sides to get it off. Ew, Miss Smith, what an ugly fraction. Yep, you're right. So, in our nifty calculator, 12 plus 15 over 2. 39 halves. Gross. I don't know what's up with 39 today. So, 39 over 2 equals B. Are we done? No. Y equals negative 3 over 2 x plus 39 over 2. Okay, that is our graph. Now I could put both of these in the calculator. All I have to do is add a calculator page. My first equation is 2/3 x minus 5. So that's my first equation. I can hit tab. And now I can check my second equation. Negative 3 over 2 x plus 39 over 2. Enter. I'm going to zoom out so we can see. Are they perpendicular? Yes. Alright, so that's how you can check it in your calculator. Write the equation of the line that's parallel to the line graph that goes to the point 4, 2. So, my original slope is 1/2. What's my new slope? Well, if it's parallel, it's the same. So it's still 1/2. And it goes to the point 4, 2. That means I can put my point on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. And then I can use my slope to find the point. So up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. I mean, you could put this in the formula if you want. You will get the same answer either way. I'm just giving you different options. So once I have 3 lines, I can connect these. So here's my new line. And I can put my y equals mx plus b. My slope is 1/2 x. And then my y-intercept, since I graphed it, is 0. So this is correct, or you can write it like this. Okay? So you have a bunch of different ways of solving these. If you have questions, ask your teacher.